The Larson Electronics explosion-proof low-profile linear LED light has a T5 temperature rating and is approved for Class 1 Division 2 and Class 2 Divisions 1 and 2. This durable and long-lasting explosion-proof LED light is designed for installation in locations where flammable vapors and gases and combustible dust and fiber exist, or locations where wind, water, snow, or high ambience can be expected. Its versatile power and mounting options, extreme longevity, low energy consumption, high light output, ultra-low profile, and rugged lens and body make it ideal for a variety of applications. This light is suitable for land-based oil rigs and offshore platforms, chemical and petrochemical processing facilities, sewage treatment plants, garages, storage facilities, tunnels, and grain or food facilities. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.